Well, hello, beautiful friends. It's Linette here, and today I want to redo my porch, and I want to show you the flat of flowers that I bought, I think yesterday, and the planters that I have out here, and then I found my wreaths in the garage in a bag. I'm going to get those up and kind of clean my porch up a little bit, get the blower out, and get these planters planted up. Also, if you're new to the channel, please, Nikki and I would love if you would subscribe and comment and let us know where you're at. Thank you. Yes, this is what we want. Woo! Okay, so this is my flat of flowers that I just got the other day. And it has zinnias, the pink here, some vinca right next to it, agerated floss flower, the purple. I got some verbena. I got some alyssum, more petunias. These are snapdragons. I got some coleus. And then I got one pot of calabroscia. Okay, so now what I did was I just took the top layer of the dirt and got rid of it. And now I like to use Pro Mix. I don't know, I just think it's a really good potting soil. It doesn't feel dry. It feels pretty moist. So what I'm going to do is I took dirt out and now I'm going to go top it with some fresh dirt. Okay guys, here are the pots that I want to plant up. I've topped them all off, took a bunch of dirt out, topped them all off with some fresh soil. I got a little basket over here, some wicker, faux wicker baskets, and then my cement urn or pots. I got a couple crocks. And so let's see what we can do. I think what I'm thinking is I want to try something different this year. I'm going to go in the backyard. I have two big urns. So those urns, I think I'll put multiple flowers in. But in these containers, minus the cement ones, I want to put just one flower of the, like I might put 3 flowers, but I want it to be 3 marigolds or 3 petunias or 3 coleus. I want the same type of flower in each container. Oh, and if any of my gardening friends know, I believe that these are snapdragons. And I think, so I left them. I moved them all to the back because I had snapdragons planted in these pots last year. And I think if one of my garden friends could tell me what they think, and I think maybe Anne from Martin House Flowers, because she's amazing at starting seeds and probably knows exactly what a snapdragon looks like. Or if this is not a snapdragon, let me know. The reason I think it is see the red kind of on the back there, and then kind of down deep, the stems are a tiny bit red. I don't know. I might have just transferred a whole bunch of weeds, you guys. Okay, so let's start on this area here. I think I'm going to try a marigold, just one marigold in this little container here. Take some of the dirt out. Oh, we got to get our starter tone, you guys. Hold on. Oh, that's cute. Hopefully the slugs won't take this over. I got to show you what these slugs are doing to me. Okay, so in my big crock, I think I want to put this, I believe it's a Supertunia. It's a Supertunia Vista Fuchsia, and it's not looking the greatest. I've had it for a little while, but I think I'll put one in here. Now, the only other addition to this might be some of my vine. I'm running out of daylight, so I don't think I have enough time to do that. I've never done this before. Let me know if you guys have ever tried it. You know, one plant per pot. Now, the only other plants that would be in here are these little, if they're snapdragons, the snapdragons. And the addition of some vine, if I choose to put that in. Okay, so my next thing I think would look really pretty is this floss flower ageratum. It is called Aloha Blue. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Aloha Blue. And we might just put 2 of them in there. We're going to see. We're going to see how many we think we need. Fertilizer. Aren't these so pretty? I love these, but every time I plant them, I feel like whatever I plant them with kind of like takes them over. So this year I was thinking, well, maybe they would look good all by themselves. And I do think 2 is going to be plenty, you guys. Because you know, with our biotone, these are going to start to grow. They won't get very tall because these don't get very tall, but they'll kind of bulk out a little bit. Okay, so now on the wicker basket, why don't we put some coleus? I think I'm just going to do it's called Wizard Red. Although it might look really pretty to mix it. Let's see. Yeah, I think we're going to mix it. I will definitely probably add some vine to these, you guys. You know me and my vines. All right, I'm going to fill that in with some dirt. Okay, over here, I already have some creeping Jenny, but I think I want to share this creeping Jenny. So I'm going to take this chunk over here and dig it up. Creeping Jenny is amazing. Okay. I do think I want to run and get some vine to go right here. Let me go get that. Okay, I got my vine in, and I think I might put this yellow Calabrosia. know. I think in this little basket here, I think alyssum would look really, really sweet. So that's what we're gonna do. Basket of purple flowers. How adorable, right? I love these because they're sort of a mix. This is another thing I feel like gets swallowed up a lot of times because I'll put my alyssum in with like a petunia or something, and then I feel like, you know, as the season goes on, you can't even see it, you know? So I'm just curious if maybe these plants will do a little better just on their own. You know, they won't be competing for room. Okay, one last container for the evening. And I've got vinca. And the reason I'm doing vinca here is because this gets pretty sunny here. And I know vinca will do great. The question is do I do just one vinca? Yeah, I think I'm gonna just do one. Now this is different for me, you guys, because I normally sort of pack my stuff pretty full. And I may do that with the urns that I'm gonna bring from the backyard. Okay, so I got all my little planters planted up, except for my concrete ones. I'm gonna wait on those. But I'm gonna spray everything down and show you what we got. I had an extra outdoor pillowcase that I used. I had a 2-pack, and so I went and grabbed a pillow and put that on it. And see this side. I went ahead and put this little pot. I potted up the other day. If you guys have watched my channel, this is the geranium that I overwintered last year. I think I saved about 5 of them. And I'm gonna, after this blooms, I'm gonna cut that little chunk off, and hopefully this part right here will just start to take off. And so we got the Supertunia fuchsia, my little faux plant there. And then we got the mix of the coleus, one lone marigold, got a couple ageratum floss flower. I love those. I hope they do well to, you know, this year. And then on this side here, we got the yellow calabrosia, just a little chunk of creeping jenny, and a few little vines coming out. We got one lone vinca, and then we got just a little basket of alyssum. I sort of love that, you guys. Okay, thank you guys so much. I gotta get to watering. I'm gonna finish the concrete pots maybe another day, but I'm really excited. I'm gonna come out tomorrow and try to video for you guys too, so you can see it during the daytime. But I'm super duper excited. Thank you guys for spending your day with me. And Nikki and I would love if you would subscribe, like, and comment. Let us know where you're at in the world. You know, we want to know. We love to talk to you guys and to learn more about you. And go find a little marigold, even if it's one lone marigold, and go find your passion today.